Alright guys, so for those of us who have come to love the quad lock accessories and mounts, you're either going to fall in love with or want to replace the lever for one reason only, the color or its damage. Regardless of the reason, I'm going to show you how to go about swapping out the lever for something else. In this case, this is going to be going on a plate carrier, and it is going to be black instead of blue for tactical reasons. So we removed that. We're going to remove the little the black portion of that. And now when we lift it up just a little bit, we have this little metal tab here. Pull the lever back all the way. Now the way that this is seated into the actual clip here or your mount accessory, all you gotta do is just push it just up just a little bit like that and see how it came out of place right there. And then you're just pushing it forward, pushing it in that direction where I'm pointing. And then it comes right out. So now we're gonna go ahead and pretty much do that again, except reverse. Ow, those staples stabbed me. Turn on the light. There we go, it's a little better. So to reverse this, the push is going to be facing up. We're going to place it, see this, what I'm doing? And then I'm just pushing inwards. Really pushing down, and not too hard because it is plastic. And then we're going to get that that little springy metal piece. And you want this just to be seated down just a little bit. Hold up. I know what's going on here. You got to push this down just a wee bit. There we go. Just like that. Just adjust it just a little bit. Okay. Should be good enough. Yep. That's what we wanted to do. That's it, you guys. That's all it takes. It was a little rough. I think I had an alignment issue, but it corrected itself. A couple more juicy turns. You don't want to tighten it too hard because this is mostly plastic. And now, now we replace the blue lever with the black one, and I think this looks a little bit cooler. This makes a little bit more sense for where I want this to go. And yeah, this just looks a little bit more mature, especially if you're wearing this belt clip like on your side, etc. I mean, this makes a little bit more sense. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think. I appreciate all feedback. Peace.